Hello all, welcome to Doctor News. Attention all Pani Puri lovers. Food safety officials have found cancer-causing chemicals in your favorite street snack. The craze among foodies for Pani Puri is unparalleled. But the food safety officials found shocking results after testing the samples of Pani Puri in Karnataka. It is revealed that 22% of the Pani Puri samples that the officials collected failed to meet the required safety criteria. Out of 260 samples they collected, artificial colors and carcinogenic agents that cause cancer were found in 41 samples. Other 18 samples were found to be unfit for human consumption, the report said. Commissioner Srinivas K told that the Food Safety Department received several complaints about the quality of Pani Puri served in streets across Karnataka. Hence, they collected samples from roadside stalls to decent restaurants from all over the state. Srinivas also said chemicals like Brilliant Blue, Sunset Yellow and Tartrazine were found in Pani Puri samples, which can potentially cause various health issues. Many samples were found to be stale and unfit for human consumption. Earlier, the Karnataka government banned the food coloring agent rhodamine B, which is widely used in dishes such as gobi Manchurian and cotton candy. In February, the Tamil Nadu government also outlawed the sale and consumption of cotton candy following the discovery of hazardous levels of textile dye and rhodamine B. Karnataka Health Minister Dinesh Gundu Rao said stringent action will be taken if sellers use these chemicals in their restaurants. Health Minister said food safety in the state is our priority and we will be inspecting more dishes to find out what coloring agents are being used in them. People should be aware of what kind of food item they are consuming and what goes into it. The restaurant owners must also be responsible enough to maintain hygiene. Otherwise, strict action will be taken, added the health minister. What is rhodamine B? Rhodamine B is commonly used as a tracer dye in water to determine flow rates and directions. It fluoresces, making it detectable with fluorometers. However, studies have suggested that rhodamine B can cause cell death and damage tissues like cerebellum, brainstem, kidney, liver, and is considered a carcinogen, thus, it is toxic to the human body. Brilliant Blue, Sunset Yellow, Tartrazine, rhodamine B are synthetic dyes, which are non-nutritional and chemically active. Further, the use of rhodamine can lead to breakdown of red blood cells. Tartrazine can cause DNA damage in the glands of stomach, intestine. The use in high amounts of synthetic dyes can cause internal organ damage as well as carcinogenic disease. We can conclude that the street foods are of low nutritional quality and are dense in carbohydrates, saturated fats, sugar and salt, which can cause chronic non-communicable diseases if consumed regularly. Although street foods are convenient, cheap and appealing and provide employment to most of the people in underdeveloped and developing countries, the use of cheap ingredients and difficulty in providing proper sanitary and hygienic conditions is a great threat to the safety of the consumers. Awareness among street food vendors and imposition of strict rules and regulations in the rural and urban areas is the only way to improve the hygiene and sanitary conditions of the street foods, prepared to improve the health and safety of the consumers. So, be careful while snacking on streets. That's all for today. Thank you.